Hi, today I'd like to show you a very easy way to play Amazing Grace. I'm tuned to G, G on the low string, D in the middle, G on the high string. I'm playing a fretless cigar box guitar, high action, no frets, just using a slide. I'll play it for you first and then I'll explain a few things. Okay, when using a slide, you want to make sure that you always mute behind the slide. And I'm playing with my fingers today, which allows me to mute these strings. And when you're first playing, this is kind of important because it's really easy to get extra notes when you pick a note on the slide. Like say you play the second note, and then when you slide it up, you'll hear these strings kind of. Makes it sort of messy. So by leaving your fingers on the strings wherever possible, you sort of clean up the sound a little bit. This song starts off with 0-2 on the middle string. Now you can do that as what's called a hammer-on if you like, if you're ready for that. You don't have to. And what a hammer-on is, that's when you hit the middle string and you just have your slide come down pretty hard, and I still mute behind it, like that. Here's picking, which is great. I'm just using my first finger there. And here's hammering. Just kind of a neat sound. So you can use whichever one you prefer. You'll also notice that I'm not using the slide across all three strings. When you're playing chords, of course, you want it across all three strings, and you want it perpendicular. When you're playing melodies, however, you tend to change things a little bit so that you can access other notes and stuff. So in this case, I don't want any sound from hitting the string, the bass string over here. I'm kind of banging on it right now. I just want the 0 and the 2. So I'm actually tipped a little bit. I'll exaggerate a bit. I'm kind of tipped a little like this, so I don't hit the high string either. So, and now it is the high string, right? So the high string is 0. Then 2-0, then 4. And that's a nice place to add vibrato. Vibrato is just moving the slide back and forth. Whether you go fast or slow, you just pick one that you like and work on it. And also, this is your first note up the net. So what you might want to do is take a tuner like this. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not, but I'll turn it on. Right, so we can see that the string is in tune, and when we go up here, bring your slide up till you see that it's in tune. This helps train your ear. Whoops, a little sharp. See? You can do that with any of the notes up and down the neck, and that just helps you find the right spot, and then your muscle memory and your ear kind of take over. So here we are. Then 2-0 on the first one. 2-0 on the middle again. Then we go 0-2 on the middle again, and once again we have the choice of picking or hammering. 2-0 on the high, up to the 4, and then we're going to go up to the 7, but we're going to hit 7 on the middle. I'll play that phrase just all on its own, a little slower. Okay, and then we go to the 4, to the 7 on the high string. And when I'm playing the high string, I'll exaggerate it, my slide is bent back so I don't rub on these strings. So that was 4-7, 4-0. And then 2 on the middle, 0 on the high, 2-0 on the middle. And once again we have 0-2, we can make that choice again. 2-0 on the high, 4, 2, then 0. And to end it off, you can play the other strings, because this is tuned to open G, which is a chord, of course. And that's all there is to play that. If you want to get a little fancier, what you can do is add in the low string every once in a while with a pinch. I'll show you that. I'm doing it quite often there. You might not want to do it quite that often, but you can do it as often as you like. This note here goes to a different chord, so you want to hit the middle string. And now the next time we play 7, we go from the 4 to the 7, and we're back to the low string. Low string again. Low string again. Middle again. Low string. So that means you can add in the low string everywhere except where you go 7-7. When you go 7-7, you got to go tip it back and get the middle string. And at the very end there, that's the last 4. I'm adding the middle string. Anything like that will work. You can do it as little or as much as you like. Have a great day. Bye.